Hi, welcome back once again to my channel Naz Bakes and Cooks. Today I've come up again with a very interesting recipe for you all, which you will enjoy it like anything. So if you want to know the recipe, I would like to request you to please watch my video till the end patiently. Let's get started. Here I've taken around 8 slices of white bread. I'm going to use a rectangular baking mold. You can use a square shape also, that is up to you. In this way I'm going to place the bread slices. Let's keep the mold aside. In this glass bowl I'm going to break 2 eggs. With the help of a fork, I'm going to beat the eggs very thoroughly. Here I add around 3 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. Now I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now let's combine the ingredients very thoroughly with the help of a fork. Now I add 1½ cup of fresh milk. Let's combine it again. Let's keep this aside, and here I have around 3 pieces of apple. I'm going to slice them into thin pieces. In this way I have sliced the apples, you can see. I'm going to place on top of the bread slices. In this way I have placed all the apple slices. Now on top of this I'm going to pour the milk mixture and bake at 150 degrees centigrade for around 20 to 25 minutes. Let's pop it inside the oven now. After baking for 25 minutes, this is how it looks. It has cooled down, so I'm going to cut a slice of it and show you how does it look. Look at this. I have drizzled some caramel sauce on top of this to enhance the taste. Let me dig in. Wow, so tasty, and especially the caramel sauce on top. It has, doubled the taste. If you have breads at home, you can make this recipe. It's very simple to make, and believe me, it's amazing. The taste is wonderful. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and yes, please do comment also. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you'll get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.